Everyone, it's me, Mrs. Salazar, and I want to talk to you about Chapter 3. This is our Chapter 3 in a nutshell, Part 2, and we're going to multiply some polynomials. Now, before we multiply any algebraic polynomials, let's do some numbers. Normally, under order of operations, we would do the addition of these numbers, 2 plus 3, which is 5, 6 and 1, which is 7, multiply 5 and 7, get 35. But I want to just break this up a little bit and do the concept, okay? So the first step is, how many terms do I have inside here? 1, 2, 1, 2. So I want to make a 2 by 2 rectangle or box. There's my 2 and my other 2. Okay, now when we're doing this, this is basically area. We're going to multiply length times width. So this is our length, this is our width, and we're trying to find our area. Area equals length times width. Remember that? So length, 2 plus 3, and width, 6 plus 1. Okay, now, can you help me out? What do we use for that box? We do the 2 and 6, 2 times 6. What do we do here? We do 3 times 6. What do we do for here? That's going to be 3 times 1. And here, 2 times 1, which is here. Okay, so what's 2 times 6? 12. 3 times 6, 18. 2 times 1, 2. 3 times 1, 3. So to find the area, we'll do 12 plus 2 plus 18 plus 3. 12 and 2, 14. 18 and 3, 21. And that equals 35. Okay, you're like, okay, I knew that because 2 plus 3 is 5. And 6 plus 1 is 7. So then 5 times 7 is 35. We get that. We get that. So then what happens when we're using algebraic terms? So I have an example. We're just going to use these numbers again, but in a different way. So we have 2x plus 3 times 6x plus 1. I'm going to move you just a little bit. Sorry. Hi. All right. I'm going to make my box again. Let's use a different color. It is still a 2 by 2 because I have 2 terms here and 2 terms there. 2x plus 1 is length. 6x plus 1 is over here. I made a mistake. That is not plus 1. I'm sorry. That's plus 3. Okay, so 2x plus 3 times 6x plus 1. Now, let's multiply. Here is your 2x times 6x. Here is your 3 times 6x. Here is your 2x times 1. Here is your 3 times 1. Okay, now let's see if we can use a nice bold color. I wonder if I can get you closer. I'm sorry. I know. Wow, I just did that. Sorry. Okay, so then 2x times 6x is, hold on. 2x times 6x is 12x squared. 3 times 6x is 18x. 2x times 1 is 2x. 3 times 1 is 3. So now we want to take all those numbers out. And we want to find some like terms. 2x and 18x add together. 12x squared stays the same. 2x and 18x make 20x. 3 stays the same. There is your answer, or that's the area, okay? This multiplied together equals that. All right, thank you.